Hug. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you eating my hair? Dude. What's going on? I messed up my song. Oh, that's you. Rainer's like, if I only could, I'd be running up that hill. Fuck what you say, hey. Don't eat my hair then. And you won't fucking choke. Okay? Okay.
She's so full of surprises. She reminds me of you.
What are you doing? You just fit your fat ass up here, your seatbelt all wrapped around. What are you doing? Crazy, man. You're crazy. Crazy fucker. Where's your car? You're gonna hurt yourself, dude. I'm gonna unhook you. Unhook you. You got this all messed up. What? Don't do it. Don't unhook you. Right. I can't. You're stuck. Sorry. That's how it is. Need help with that. Let me help you with that. Let me try again. Trying. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, there you go. Alright, this is it, man. This is it. Oh yeah, you make a good traveling pillow. Yeah, you do. You do. Bye. Whew. I got it.